Draw a parallelogram by joining the points 0, 0, 1, 4, 4, 2, 3 and negative 2. First we need to locate these points on the Cartesian plane, and then we will join them through straight lines to see if it becomes a parallelogram or not. So the first point is 0, 0, it is origin, so it's easy to locate this point. The next is 1, 4. 1 is the value of the x-axis or the horizontal scale 1, so I will just go at 1. The next value for the vertical scale is 4, so I will go up, and here I arrived in front of 4, so this is that point 1, 4. And then the next point is 4, 2. So if I start from the origin, I have to go to the right side, and here is 4, and then I will go up, and here I am in front of 2, and if I go down it's 4, so the point of intersection is here, 4, 2. And the last point is 3, negative 2. So here is 3 along the x-axis, and then now this time I have to go down, so negative 2 is here for the y-axis. So the coordinates are 3, negative 2, and that point is here. So now I have 4 points. Don't forget that we have a point A at the origin, which is not clearly visible, but the point is there. So now I will join them with straight lines. So I will join A with B, and then B with C, and then C with D, D with A. So you see A, B, C, D. So you can join them in any order you want, but join them in a series. So it's, if you start from A, then go to B, C, D, and then you will arrive at the initial point. So can you tell me if A, B, C, D, this shape, is it really a parallelogram or not? Let me remind you that a parallelogram is a shape where the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So BC should be equal to AB in this ADs. Similarly, AB, this line should be equal in length to DC. So how can we confirm it? Don't worry, it is a parallelogram, and later on we will learn how to find the length of this segment DC or any line, as long as you know the coordinates of the end points. For example, once you have a line, a straight line, for example like this, and you know the end points, for example this point F, if you know its coordinates x and y, similarly you know the coordinates of this point, maybe x2, y2, let's call them x1 and y1. So if you know the coordinates of the end points of a line segment, you can find the length of this line very easily, and we will learn it later in this section. But for now we have drawn the parallelogram.